Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the alien secretion. What you'll need, which I forgot to pull off the tops on these, is coconut rum, Midori, which is a melon liqueur. You just need a melon liqueur. You don't have to pick up Midori. And you will also need some pineapple juice. And that's pretty much about it, unless you want to rim the glass with blue sugar and all that bullshit. But this is a tipsy bartender thing. You know, I don't really fuck around with doing a lot of garnishing. Probably should. It would probably make some of them taste better, but I'm too lazy for that. So here we are, I guess. I thought I washed this out correctly, but I guess I did not. But I'm gonna get a little bit of cream of coconut out of my jigger a little bit. I thought I cleaned it up pretty good, but turns out, no. The answer is just fucking no. So let's go ahead and get down into making this. It does say to use the shaker. I've put the shaker somewhere and I don't remember where I put it. So I'm just gonna mix it in the glass and go from there. Should I shake it? Probably. I'll just stir it and pray to God it works fine. Stirring and shaking's close to being the same. I mean, well, coconut rum is more syrupy. Yeah, I'll just wing it. Fuck it. I've always done that. So 2 ounces of melon liqueur. I'm slowly trying to get the tension on the top, but I'm failing. One of these days I'll get it right. 2 ounces of coconut rum. Almost there. Almost there for the tension. Not quite. And 3 ounces of pineapple juice. I don't trust myself to pour this, even though I poured it last time. I don't trust myself to do that, so we're just going to pour it in this cup. Forgive me not showing you the pour. It is what it is. So there's 2 ounces. There's 1 ounce. Ah, my acid reflux is going to hate me tomorrow. And we go ahead and stir it. Making sure the coconut is actually mixed in there, because Malibu is a very hard syrup. Oh yeah, did you actually? Yeah, no, you said you enjoyed that. The unicorn piss? That was a good one. Quite a bit of rum in there. You took it pretty well, surprisingly. It was the Mario Kart that really made you just go, thunk. Oh look, Dustin's just out cold. Neat. And we won't talk about any more of that, because that night was interesting. Let's not go back to that inn. Let's go somewhere else, please. It's for the best. Anyways, let's go ahead and give a try of the alien secretion. You can possibly take that out if you want to take that out. It's up to you. I'm trying to give you a little bit of content. Kind of rushing through these. I'm sorry. I guess I'm just not in the zone. That's weird. Oh well. Anyways, let's try it. Ooh. I like it and I don't like it. I've always said in the past that the melon liqueur and pineapple, melon liqueur and pineapple go together very, very well. In this instance, it goes well, but it's strong on one of the aspects. And I took 2 sips. I didn't take a long sip or anything like that. Let me try taking a long sip. Long sip's a little bit better than short sips. Long sip, you get a lot of all 3 elements of what's in this drink. The melon's not super strong, but it's still pretty strong. It complements the pineapple juice. The coconut, again, complements everything in this drink. It is a little strong, surprisingly, with how much pineapple juice is in here. And coconut. The melon actually overtakes quite a bit of it. If you're more on the side of pineapple and coconut, you like those more than just melon in general, I'd recommend maybe backing off on the melon to about 1.5 ounces or 1 ounce. I mean, it does make a very small drink, but overall, it's not bad. It's not bad. I like sweetness involved. Every time I've done this stuff on this channel, which some of the stuff that was gross I never pulled out. Kind of forgot about that. I forgot about the NyQuil fucking... God. I gotta give that to my editor soon. I kind of forgot about it. We made NyQuil, cherry NyQuil. If you're not a fan of cherry NyQuil, don't try it. I tried it once, I hated it. I made it again just because, why the fuck not, I guess. I like torturing myself. Second go around was disgusting. Shared it with my father. He was just like, if it wasn't cherry NyQuil, I'd probably drink it. Yeah, I gotta pull that out. Anyway, I don't know where I was going with that. I really don't. Dear God, what am I doing with my life? Drinking. It's always a good time to drink. God, I have so much booze. Will I ever finish all this booze? Probably not. Will my friends help me finish this booze? Yes. I'm getting drunk. This is fun. Time to do more videos. Yeah, so this drink, God, I gotta stop saying that. Now that I've drank quite a bit of it down, everything seems to actually go well together. That first bit was rough. The melon, the coconut, and the pineapple juice actually work really well together. How many drinks have I done that did all these three combinations together? Why are you naming it the same thing? For fuck's sake. Alright. If you guys have any suggestions for me, that means, you know, any drink suggestions, shot suggestions, leave them down below. If you want to, leave me the recipes and I'll check it out. I plan to do a video probably consisting of like 3 or 4 shots or 2 or 3 drinks, and making that in just an entire video of the comments section. Again, I don't have a lot of subscribers, so you know, if you want to do that, go ahead and do that for me, and hope to see you guys all next time. Thanks for watching. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.